Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 16th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and in today's newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this last regular puzzle this afternoon. And what's the news of today? Well, ceasefire, question mark, is today a ceasefire, but they still dropping the bombs in Gaza, so I don't think there's a real ceasefire, because a couple of weeks ago there was also a ceasefire, but this ceasefire, 6 weeks. Well, anyway, let me continue. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9915, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 0 stars or 1 star. For a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. And for 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. It's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. Well, for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars, a 1 star, or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no dual boxes here in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? Let me check for triple boxes. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see 1 quadra box in the L shape, and when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Alright. No quadra boxes anymore, no. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw this L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. And then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Yeah. Let me think. 2 and 5, okay. 2 and 5. 3. 1 and 4. Okay. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here, 2. 3. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here. If I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, so we saw a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not a solution, place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 supposed to be here. 2, okay. Then, let me think. Come on. This is taking too long. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 to 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a 2 here. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, so a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Then let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We already have a 5 there, so it cannot be a 5 anymore. This box, the 5 is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. It should be 2. Give me 3. Give me 4. Give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. So a 3. Then let me see. This box can be a 3. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape for the number 4. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Then think. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this area supposed to be there. Is connected with that box. Super so a 2. Then let me see. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fit any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. But also this box can also not be a 4. So this box can be 3 or a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape. For number 5, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes and there. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other number in this L-shaped area should be a 5. Then I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 here, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye. For now.